responsibility. Different people are responsible to do different jobs in the society. However, we can contribute to the society by taking care of cleaning our surroundings. This way we can share the work of the community helpers and the society itself. We must not litter our surroundings with wrappers, fruit peels, papers, etc. Not spit or urinate in the open areas. Always throw waste in the garbage bin. Always keep our home tidy and clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched on 2nd October 2014 in New Delhi. This national campaign is a step towards sensitizing people to the need of keeping our country clean. Many famous personalities took active part in this campaign. The Government of India has undertaken many measures to safeguard the interests and equality of every Indian. Everyone is given an equal opportunity irrespective of their color, caste, creed, religion or gender. The practice of untouchability has been banned by the Constitution of India.